Tập đoàn Hoàng Anh Gia Lai vừa ký hợp đồng triển khai dự án quản trị nguồn nhân lực doanh nghiệp ERP trị giá 100 tỷ đồng với tập đoàn SAP mà các đối tác như IBM, CSC. Đây được xem là dự đoán ERP đa ngành lớn nhất tại Đông Nam Á hiện nay. IBC đã có một cuộc trao đổi ngắn với ông Srinivas Adimulam, Tổng Giám đốc SAP tại Việt Nam về dự án này, cũng như thị trường ERP tại Việt Nam nói chung.
Good evening, Mr. Adimulam. I would like to ask you the first question. In order to win the Hoàng Anh Gia Lai ERP project, how did SAP prepare for this?
Yeah, our preparation for this project is not very different from the preparation we do for many other projects. In Hoàng Gia Lai, what we've seen is a large company which has multiple businesses in different industries. So it was very important for us, and it had also a geographical spread. So it was very important for us and our teams to be able to understand Hoàng Gia Lai better. So our teams went on to visit each of Hoàng Gia Lai's business, different offices, understand what their expectations are from this project, understand their current readiness levels, and how they will be able to accept this particular change. That's one side of it. It was also important for us to articulate SAP solution advantage to them, because we are talking to people from different businesses. Each would have their own expectations, their pains which they want to address through this solution, and which are very specific to their industries. So we had to bring in our own industry experts who understand the language which different industries within the Hoàng Gia Lai group concerns, and be able to articulate our solution and address their concerns. Apart from this, of course, we had to work very closely with our partners. There were multiple partners involved in this discussion, like hardware partners, like our services partners, and together we all had to go and present a view to Hoàng Gia Lai, which gives them a confidence that while we are separate companies, we can work together and then make this a project a success for Hoàng Gia Lai, because as we understand, this project was very critical for Hoàng Gia Lai's growth.
In this project, how do you envision the difficulties as well as the challenges?
SAP as a solution brings in best practices. We have a repository of best practices used by companies across different sizes, different geographies, and different industries. And SAP today has become a huge repository of these best practices, which companies adopt so that they can benchmark their own processes against the best in their industries, and they can compete and benchmark and win in a very competitive market environment. Now, one of the biggest challenges which companies do face, which I've noticed in my experience of working with several thousands of customers, is that accepting a change in the process and accepting that and implementing it internally. Because companies grow over a period of time by using certain processes or doing things in a certain way. That makes them grow to a certain level. Now, people implement SAP solutions to grow and to manage that growth. In that situation, it becomes very important to let go some of the processes which are currently based on manual or semi-automatic processes and adapt to the best practice. Like every change, accepting change is not easy. And that would be one of the biggest challenges which companies face when implementing SAP project. We have several tools within SAP solution which help customers do better change management. We also work with our partners very closely in understanding how they implement the change management process, also understand the customer, and then look at what works for them and work very closely.
Can you share with us the strategy of SAP in order to develop in Vietnam, is including the customer as well as the partners?
We see Vietnam as a very vibrant economy, growing. Of course, there are challenges like in every growing economy, but there is a lot of opportunity, and we believe SAP is at the right place to help Vietnamese companies become better and grow with them in this market. SAP has been successful in the Vietnamese market when it comes to large companies and companies which have multiple businesses in different industries. But if you see the growth of Vietnam by being one of the fastest growing country globally, we see quite a lot of this growth. Of course, it's coming in from large companies, but there is a big portion of this growth coming from small and mid-sized companies across the country. This year, when we look at our plans for Vietnam, we want to continue our success, our growth in the large enterprise spaces, in the public sector, in oil and gas, but we also want to become a partner of choice for small and mid-sized companies. To that effect, we've brought in new products like SAP Business One, which are addressed very specifically for the small and mid-sized companies. So we want to continue our growth in the large enterprise, but we also want to grow in the small and be the #1 solution providers for the very small and mid-sized companies in the country.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.